everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. In this video we are going to learn how to work a treble crochet. Now to work a treble crochet, I'm first going to start with a slip knot and a chain of 10. I'm sure you've watched my earlier video on how to work a slip knot and a chain. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now once you have a chain of 10, I'm going to mark the 10th chain here with a stitch marker right here. Now we're going to start the row of treble crochet. Now whenever you start a row with treble crochet, we mostly work the first stitch with a chain 3 or a chain 4. So today I'm going to start with a chain 4. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this will be counted as your first treble crochet of this row. Now the next stitch we are going to work in the stitch that's next to the stitch marker. You have your stitch marker in this stitch. Right next to it we are going to start working our treble crochet. Now for that you need to yarn over 2 times. So that's 1 and 2. Now once you yarn over 2 times, you insert your hook into that stitch that is next to the stitch marker. You yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now that is how you work a triple crochet. I'm going to remove the stitch marker now. Now we are going to work a triple crochet in the next chain. So again, you yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next chain. That's right here. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now on your hook you have 4 loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You need to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you're left with 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you're left with 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, in the next stitch, the next chain right here, yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over, pull through that stitch. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you're left with 2 loops, 1, 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now this is how you work a triple crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to continue working with some beginner tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.